Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our channel Study of Mathematics. We'll go to next problem in the same section 2, problem number 6. The problem is let PS be the median of the triangle with the vertices P of 2, 2, Q of 6, minus 1 and R of 7, 3. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point 1, minus 1 and parallel to the median PS. This is our given problem. In this problem, we have to find out the equation of the straight line passing through the point 1, minus 1 and the required straight line is parallel to the median PS. That means we have to given the straight line, triangle is PQR triangle is given. The PQR vertices are also given in the problem and PS is the median. Median means the line which is drawn from the point P to the opposite side at the midpoint. Then S is the midpoint of QR. S is the midpoint of QR. The PS is the median, which is means that the line, any line drawn from the point P to the opposite side Q or to the midpoint of the side QR, and the required line parallel to this PS line and passes through the point 1, minus 1. That line equation we have to find out. First, given data. Given vertices of a triangle are P equal to 2, 2, Q equal to 6, minus 1, R equal to 7, 3. These all vertices of a triangle are given, and the given another point, let it be A equal to 1, minus 1, and PS is the given in the problem. PS is the median of the triangle PQR. Then S is called the midpoint of the side QR. Then S is the midpoint of the side QR. Even S is the midpoint of the side QR. Then, and also the required line is parallel to the median PS. We know that any two lines are parallel to each other, then their slopes are equal. Then from this we have to find out the point S by using the midpoint formula, because S is the midpoint of QR. QR points are we know. Then by using this we have to find out the S, and then S equal to midpoint of QR. That is, midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the midpoint formula. That is equal to, here x1, y1 and x2, y2 are taken from the points Q and R. x1 value is 6 plus x2 value is 7 by 2, y1 value minus 1 plus 3 by 2. That is equal to 13 by 2, 3 minus 1, 2 by 2. That is equal to 13 by 2 comma 1. This is the midpoint. Midpoint is equal to 13 by 2 comma 1. This is the midpoint coordinate. Then by using this midpoint and the point P, we have to find out the slope of the line PS or slope of the median PS. The slope of the median PS, the slope of the median PS is, let it be M, that is equal to, formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is equal to, here x1 comma y1 are taken from the points x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2 are taken from the points P and S. The P coordinates are 2 comma 2 and S coordinates are 13 by 2 comma 1. PS means y2 value is 1 minus y1 value is 2 by x2 value is 13 by 2 minus 2. That is equal to, here take LCM and then solve. Then M equal to 1 minus 2 value minus 1 by 13 by 2 minus 2. Here take 2 as LCM, then 13 minus 4. That is equal to minus 1 by 13 minus 4 value 9 by 2. That is equal to minus 2 by 9. This is the slope of the median PS. We already given that according to the problem, given that the required line and the median PS and the median PS are parallel to each other or parallel. Then their slopes are equal. Then therefore the slope of required line M is equal to minus 2 by 9. Then the slope of the median PS is equal to the slope of the required line. That means we have to finding the line slope. And in the problem we have to given that the required line passes through the point 1 comma minus 1 and having the slope M. Then the equation of the straight line, having the slope M, the equation of the straight line having slope M and passes through the point of 1 comma minus 1 is, we know the formula, which is having slope M and point A. That means y minus y1 equal to M into x minus x1. This is the formula. Then substitute the values. x1 comma y1 are taken from the point A and slope M is minus 2 by 9. Then y minus y1 value minus 1, minus into minus plus 1 is equal to M value is minus 2 by 9 into x minus x1 value is 1. Here taking cross multiplication, that is 9 into y plus 1 equal to minus 2 into x minus 1. Then 9y plus 9 is equal to minus 2x plus 2. Taking all values in one side, then 9y plus 9 plus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. From this, 2x plus 9y plus 7 is equal to 0. This is the required straight line equation. Therefore, the required straight line equation is two x plus 9y plus 7 equal to 0. This is our required problem solution. In the problem, we have to given that the required line passes through the point A and parallel to the median PS. By using that conditions, we have to solve the problem. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.